the truth about Commission Hero in 2026. Now, if you're watching this video, please stay until the end. Why? Because I'm going to review to you behind the curtain, behind the scenes, what is going on. So if you're a beginner, or maybe you have had experience with ClickBank affiliate marketing and you have bought into guru courses on ClickBank and especially Commission Hero, let me review you the truth behind it. So as you can see over here, at the moment I'm on the Trustpilot, and you can see over here, if you scroll down and click the real reviews, not just paid reviews but real reviews, if you click 1 star, you'll see exactly over here what is happening, right? A day ago, you can see 1 star reviews. I joined Profits 2 months ago, and what is happening? Spending $300 per month, around $1,000 for this course, so $1,000 for the course. You can see over here, if you want to join Hero AI and Commission Hero AI, if you want to join it, don't join. It's a misleading program information. There are tools, websites with problems and upsells. Okay, over here, as you can see over here, you can see for yourself. Those are the real, not paid reviews, as you can see over here, right? Personal experiences from people. And you can immediately see, right, if you click on 5-star reviews, what is happening over here. If you go out and click on 5-star reviews, you'll see, okay, AI written over here, no money, no mention about how much people are making reviews. Now, if I go here, let me show you exactly what is happening with Commission Hero, right? Why it's outdated and why it doesn't work in 2026. First of all, is because Google, YouTube, and TikTok, including Facebook, they hate copy and paste methods. What is happening? So if you buy a course for $1,000, $2,000, you know that there are also hundreds or not even thousands of other people who bought the same course as you. So imagine what is happening if everyone is copying and pasting each other with same ads, with same offers on ClickBank. Okay, Google hates that, Facebook hates that, and YouTube hates that, and they're going to flag your account, meaning reject your ads, all in red. Your account is going to be in red. You're going to get rejected, flagged, and shut down. Okay, so thousands of people promoting same offer, and there is of course no one-on-one support. At least for myself speaking, as a super affiliate, promoting different offers on ClickBank, on CPA affiliate networks. Okay, you can go check me out on my Instagram. I travel to 69 countries thanks to affiliate marketing. Okay, I'm doing it full time. And the reason why I'm making this video is because lots of people have been reaching out to me one-on-one, asking me what is going on, saying I have paid $1,000 and now they're offering me $10,000 upsell for coaching, a mentorship. They paid for that, and now they spent $5,000 more on ads and made $90 to $100 back. Okay, so what is going on? The number one thing is that most of those programs on courses are outdated. Once you get stuck, and believe me, you're going to get stuck, okay, one way or another, you will need someone to help you personally over the Zoom call and look over your ad copy, pre-sale pages, landing pages, targeting details, and tell you exactly what you're doing wrong and what to adjust, which way to go, left or right. And in 2026, you need someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. Not just more information, more courses. You need personalized one-on-one support. And with Commission Hero, you are not getting that. Okay? Don't have to believe me. Go and Google it yourself. Now, first of all, what you need is you need clear step-by-step execution plan, one-on-one leadership. Okay? You need to understand there are low emotional states, high emotional states audiences. Okay, there are criteria of markets. As you can see over here with Google pay-per-click ads, people are in the solution-seeking mode, meaning they already have pain, they have problem, now they only need solution. And what happens, my friend, once you go on Google and once you have someone to show exactly the right targeting details, the right language patterns to use in your ad copy, you will finally be able to have the right message to the market match. Message to the market match is what makes or breaks a sale. Okay, so you can see why I love Google Ads, because it's not about social media. It's about people who have buyers intent. You need buyers clicks. With Commission Hero, mostly, yes, you create weird, ugly images. You get a high enough click-through rate, lots of clicks, but no sales. And it's not your fault. Why? Because you have been following the wrong person and the wrong, outdated, watered down version, rehashed version of some courses online. You don't have an edge, you don't have a leverage or some kind of advantage where you can fast forward yourself and actually get to real results. Sustainable income online. Okay? Now let me show you here what actually works with quiz funnels. I love quiz funnels. Functional quiz funnels, meaning we have a search ad on Google, we send people to the right quiz. Another quiz where you can see online about are you male, are you female, how old are you? No. Those are basic information gathering questions. You need the right questions that get people through emotional states, get them to the problem state so they realize, heck, I have a problem. Now they need a solution. And that's, my friend, how you can make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2026. Right? You can see 1% or 9% of people who click will buy, and 5 of them out of 45, let's say, will buy. The upsell take rate. So that's why it's very important what offers you're promoting and to have the right market sophistication level and product matching. Okay, depend what kind of awareness levels your audience is in. It will depend what kind of ad copy you use, what kind of words or language patterns you're using on your landing page. It's very important, okay, who you're following and what methods you're applying in 2026. Okay, you can see over here what we get done together over the Zoom call, 101, okay? The most important thing is having someone who can help you 101 step by step along the way in 2026. Not buying more expensive AI tools, not buying more expensive upsells, kind of software tools. No, if this would be true, why they are selling you AI software? Okay? It's not true. Yes, AI can help as a crutch, but AI is not the main thing. Why? Because AI is not human. AI doesn't have emotions. AI doesn't have human life experience. And what we are doing on ClickBank is promoting products, for example, digital info products, ebooks, weight loss, supplements, vitamins, minerals, golf niche, whatever, survival space, baby niche. Tell me how AI can have experience, emotional, psychological, about how to raise a baby, so you can promote it to stay-at-home mom, single moms who are raising the baby. Can't. Yes, it can help, but still, you need someone who has experience and also know exactly what copy to use, what targeting details to use, and how to apply it so that you can actually get sustainable results. So as you watch this video, what you can do next is connect with me one-on-one. There's my Instagram, yes, my personal phone number, my WhatsApp number, my email, my Facebook Messenger. There's soon going to be free Facebook group. Okay? You can reach out to me if you're a member of Commission Hero, maybe, or you are on the sidelines waiting to join or not. Let me know what is your experience. Okay? Let me know. And let's make something happen together so you can actually be profitable with sustainable results in 2026.